Hi, boys and girls. Today we're counting more sets of 10, and then we're going to have some extras. So we're going to have to count 10s and then the 1s. So on the first one, you don't have to write these numbers. I'm just helping you see. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. And then there's 3 here. So if I have 50 with 3, that is how many? 53. Very good. So let's count how many groups of 10 full goldfish we have. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we're going to put a 4. And then how many fish are in the extra bowl? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So how many fish are in there? 45. Very good. Okay, let's do the next one. 1, 2, 3. 3 full fish, full of fish, and then how many extra? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is our number? 38. Good. Okay, I'm going to have you try the next 3 on your own. I want you to push pause and then do the counting and then push play and we'll check it together. All right, boys and girls, on this one, did you get 22? Good. And on the next one, did you get 43? And on the last one, we have 18. Great work, boys and girls. Okay, on the back, we have more rocket math. Okay, look for doubles and near doubles, plus ones, plus zeros. There's all kinds of strategies. Good work today.